Everyone, my name is Andy Ramdeen and today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to link Microsoft Access to Microsoft SQL. So first up, we're going to go and open SQL Server Management Studio and run it as an administrator. I'm using 2014 version. Normally here you don't have to change anything, so you just click connect. You go into database here, right click, click new database. You name in your database. So for this demonstration, I'll name it assignment 1. You click OK. You expand the databases. You expand the one you just created. You're right clicking on tables to make a table and click on table. You give in your columns names. So for one, I'll put first name. Then I'll give another one second name. And lastly, I'll give one as gender. I'll change the first column name, first name, data type to char 50. I'll change the second one to the same. And I'll leave the third one gender as the same. Now we want to save this table. Click save and click OK. Now we can expand tables and the table I created was there. So now we want to go to Access, Microsoft Access. You want to run it as administrator. Sorry about that, two just opened up. I'm getting a little mouse trouble. Okay, so now that you have Access open and run as administrator, you want to create a blank desktop database. You want to go to external data, ODBC database. You want to click link to a data source by creating a link table. Okay. You want to go to machine data source, hit new. You want to choose the second option, which is system data source. Next. You want to choose SQL server. Next. Finish. Now we want to give it a name. I'll give it assignment 1. You want to get the server to connect to, so to get the exact thing, you go back to SQL. You right click on the first thing here, hit connect, and you copy the server name. So that way there will be no typo errors. Hit cancel. You go back to access and you just paste in the server name. You hit next. Next. You wanna check this first box, change the default database to, and you wanna choose the one you just created, which would be assignment 1. So you hit next. Finish. Test data source. Okay. You see everything was connected there, so you click OK. Hit OK again. Look at database here. You just double click the one. You select the table, which is this. Hit OK. And you want to check. Well, click on each of the column names and hit OK. So now if I expand this, the database that show up here, if I double click on it, you'll see all the column names. So we're gonna enter some data and see if it reflects back on the SQL server. Right, so we entered 3 rows of data, and you want to save this. Now that we save this, we're going back to SQL Server. We want to right click on the table and select top 1000 rows. And as you can see, the data we entered was stored in SQL Server. So this basically shows that both Access and SQL Server has been linked together successfully. And that completes the end of our tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed it. It was easy to follow along. Sorry if there was any errors or anything I didn't explain well, but it should be easy enough for you to follow along. Thank you for watching.